Hi, well, thanks for looking into Division One academic coaching for student athletes. And my name is David Murphy, Dr. Murphy, Coach Murphy. And if you're on this link, it's might be because you're looking to learn more about what we do. And one of our first initiating processes in this coaching model is to do an inventory or an assessment or questionnaire. And we use this Lassi profile questionnaire to help our students understand themselves better, right? So we look at these 10 domains of college readiness. And when you think about academic coaching, you think about the student athlete, well, we fundamentally put the student back into student athlete. And to do that effectively, we really want to help our students develop a real concrete understanding of their strengths and weaknesses. And we look, and so there's 10 domains within this Lassi, which is the acronym for this evaluation, and but it's broken into three categories. So it looks at skills in strategic learning. It also looks at will components of strategic learning, which really has to do with attitudes, motivation, anxiety, things like that. And then the third area, which is really important, has to do with self-regulation components in strategic learning, and that looks at how do I manage the learning process, right? How do I advocate? How do I manage and self control using tutors, using resources, and elements like that. So by doing that, we create this profile, this report with strengths, weaknesses, and then recommendations. And some clients just use us for that, right? They really want to walk away with the tools, or they want to walk away with recommendations in a printed format that they can then go do what they want with it. Other clients, they take that information and then they work with an EEC coach. So Effective Consulting is the business that has this arm that's Division One academic coaching as a specialty within the business. And we have specialized academic coaches that really have not only personal background in the student athlete world, but also the academic skills, the professional background, master's degree specialists that can then work with clients on the reading strategies, writing strategies, note-taking strategies, advocacy strategies, study strategies, homework strategies, planning, pre-planning, future planning strategies to really take their goals to the next level. And that's really our goal. We want all of our clients learning how to be a high-performing athlete, but most importantly, high-performing student athlete, so that the doors they want opened are wide open for them to explore interests that relate to college and opportunities that relate to college and beyond. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to us and we can get you set up with a consultation and see how we can help.